This is like painting a mustache. Is this a new look? Hi, I'm Melissa Hurkman, and today I'm going to be trying out a couple beauty hacks I saw on Instagram and TikTok, and they're kind of wild, so we're going to give it a test ride and see how it goes. So this first hack is a brow hack, and what she did was put the eyebrow powder on her finger and swiped across her eyebrow, and you take some Q-tips to clean up your brows. And if you know me, you know I like fluffy brows, so I'm kind of nervous, but we're gonna give it a whirl. So now we're getting our Q-tip, and this is some micellar water in a little dish, but my little trick I'm gonna do is wring it out a little bit so it's not too wet and hope for the best. So I'm gonna clean up underneath my eyebrows. Okay. I'm here for this. This is good. And it was fast. This is great. This next hack I'm a little nervous for because I saw a video of somebody swiping on their mascara super fast and all crazy, and then took a Q-tip and cleaned it up, and it looked so good. We're gonna try it out. I don't know how it's gonna go, but here we go. Now grab your favorite mascara and just go to town. My eyelashes actually look pretty good if you can see through all this mascara. Is this a new look? All right, so now since we've gotten this side so cute, we're gonna go on this side. Honestly, I'm just scared of poking myself in the eye, but this is making my eyelashes actually look pretty good. Wow, I've never looked better. All right, now we're grabbing our trusty Q-tips, micellar water, a whole lot of it. And again, I'm just kind of wringing it out and cleaning up all the excess. What side do you like better? Honestly, you guys, I might do this again. This is wild. It was so fast. This next hack I'm sure you've seen all over TikTok and Instagram. It's sock waves. The first thing I'm gonna do is damp my hair just lightly with a little bit of water. And you can also do this right out of the shower so your hair's just lightly damp after being towel dried. So I split my hair into two, and I'm taking my sock and placing it at the top of my head. And to secure it, I'm gonna clip that up there at top. So I'm taking my front section and bringing it back. And I'm not gonna lie, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. And I'm taking the back section and bringing that forward and crisscrossing it over the sock. The top is the hardest part, and just do that all the way down the sock. All right, now let's conquer the other side. Now to speed up the curling process, I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and run it through till my hair is completely dry. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. So far we have a little bend, okay. Okay. Ooh, I like this. This looks so good, you guys. You can even do this as a heatless wave, and you just sleep in this overnight. But because I wanted to see the results quicker, I used a blow dryer. But this looks pretty darn good. Wow. This next one is the most crazy. So I saw somebody put a little bit of eyelash glue at the top of their lip and then waited for it to get a little bit tacky, and then pull your lip back, and it's supposed to give you like fuller lips, but we're gonna see how it works. So all you need is a little bit of lash glue, and we're gonna see how this goes. Oh my gosh, this is like painting a mustache. Make sure that you use a clear lash glue, because or else you would look a little wild. Now we're just gonna let it get a little bit more dry. And then this is insane. I'm gonna lift my lip up. Okay, so the trick is you have to make sure that the lash glue is tacky, not wet when you flip your lip up. I've never looked better, honestly. I'm pretty sure it's dry now. Stop it right now. This is insane. Voila! Instant lip plump. Can you see how it's like flipped up? It's like grabbing on for dear life, but it really does work. Oh my gosh, weren't these the craziest beauty hacks ever? So I'm so impressed by all of them. I did not think that they were gonna work, but they totally did. And I would honestly use a couple of them in my own daily routine. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite hack was and what you're willing to try. Bye.